Welcome to our channel. This is Hamid from itsmadeeasy.com. In this video, we are going to learn how to draw this component in SolidWorks. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Let's start our tutorial now. Okay guys, here we have our SolidWorks. I'm starting with a new part model, and by having a look on the part diagram, we can observe that the dimensions given here are inch, not in mm. For example, say we have given this distance as 0.5, which can't be possible as an mm because 0.5 mm is too small like for any component to be. So I'm going to change the unit here, IPS. Okay, now I'm going to start the diagram. First, here we can observe this diagram, like we can make this diagram in many number of ways, and the best two ways that we can observe that we can draw this square at the top cross section, and we just extrude to a 1.5 inch, and after that we can cut this part like with the help of extrude cut, and make this hole with the help of extrude cut. This is one easy method, and another easy method is like we will be extruding only this square part only up to like 0.5 mm, only up to this length, and we will be creating this part separately and this part separately, and after we're making the whole. I think the first one will be much easier, so I'm just following the first method. Now I'm just taking the front plane, and I'm going to draw this cross section, which is a rectangle of 2 inch and 1.5 inch height. Sorry, I'm taking a center rectangle, 1.5 height and 2 inch length. I'm going to extrude this cross section to 2 inch. I'm just giving 2. Okay, now I'm with this taking this plane, I'm going to cut this section, and the dimension is given as the length will be of 1 inch and the height will be also be 1 inch, which is given in this side. Okay, now I'm taking this plane as normal. I'm taking a corner rectangle starting from this point, 1 and 1. Now I'm just extruding cut. To a length of here we can observe that this length they have given as 0.5, so when we minus 2 from when we minus 0.5 from 2, we have 1.5. so I'm just cutting that as to a 1.5 inch. Here we have, and now the only step that we have remaining is to make extrude cut of a circle. I'm taking this plane as normal, and the center is located exactly at center of this square, which is 0.5 mm from this length, this edge, and 0.5 mm from this edge. So I can make as any way. I'm just drawing a triangle of 0.5 and 0.5, and now I'm just drawing a circle at this center point. Circle diameter is given as 0.52. I'm just trimming it off, the unwanted regions, and now I'm just using this feature extruded cut, like just extrude cut, so it's okay to be 1.5. And now yes, we have made it. Here we have in 2D, and here we have it for you. Thanks guys.